I gave you my heart.
Hey guys, hello, hey guys, it's Sam's here, and I've been not wondering why you couldn't hear me talking and listening to the thing. It's because my earphones are messed up right now, so I'm gonna fix on that, and I'm not with my earphones right now, so you can do it. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is Woody versus Buzz Lightyear, but with Undertale sounds. And they're like, hey, it's not even a video reaction. Well, have you, Woody and Buzz have had some problems in the future? Just kidding. But like I said, we're gonna see this video, we're gonna watch, and let me react. Ooh. Oh, okay. Looks like Buzz is winning. LOL. Oh. That it's just, is that really it? You could not give help just yet. Yes, I could, because I'm turning into dust right now. Sorry, my voice is reacting. There's gonna be a lot more of reaction, and guys, there's a thing called Sly Stream. You should join. To just to reactions, gonna add y'all to the game. Y'all can play with them, meet him, talk to him, do everything with them. And if y'all wanna say what Mayhem's 32, I'm turning into dust right now. Oh no. Hey Sams. Oh, what the heck was this? Sams? No, Sam! Oh wait, is it recording? Oh no. Hey guys, I have to call you.